600 yen for the tuna. Let's walk towards the park now. So this is Starbucks. Isn't it nice? Look at all this like outdoor seating. Of course, it's better when it's cooler. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And greetings from Ueno Ameya Yokocho. So today, I decided to walk around this Ameya Yokocho. I haven't been here in a very long time. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the last video I made of Asakusa. This is the entrance to Ameya Yokocho. By the way, just want to point out this restaurant called Juraku has a history of over 100 years, and they are one of the most famous restaurants to serve yoshoku or Japanese style Western dishes like omuraisu. Give it a try. It wasn't the best, but it's a very well established restaurant. So this is Ameya Yokocho. And this market has a very long history. This market existed right after the war, or maybe even before the war. It used to be a black market, and now it's lots of street food, lots of shops, and like little standing bars. It's a lot of fun. It's very interesting. And I have my friend T with me.
Hello.
Hi, have you been here before?
No, not yet. Actually, I came here like for 3 times.
3 times?
But I only came this 3.
Okay, so have you been to the park?
No.
No? Okay, so we're gonna take him to Ueno Park as well. Okay, so we're just gonna take a really quick walk through the market. This is the quiet area still. Just random shops here. You can buy crepes here. Same crepes as the one in Harajuku, by the way. A lot of restaurants here. Mostly drinking bars. Some of them are open 24 hours. Cheap beer, 299 yen. 299. You have a game arcade on the right side here. Yeah. You have a tapioca place here. It's hard to be bored here. Lots to see, do, and eat. When I first arrived in Tokyo, I used to come here to buy fruits because the fruits here are pretty reasonable compared to the supermarkets, at least back then. And here's a cluster of eateries. You have like Monjayaki, you have Thai restaurant. Yeah?
Okay, I've been here for 2 times.
You've been here?
Yes.
Oh, this is the Monja place.
Yeah, that's famous one.
The famous one.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And they have another shop just...
Really? Oh, I see. It says right there, 39 steps to their other shop. Okay. Interesting. Ah, ここなんだ. And this is like this is where the street splits into 2. The busier one, the market is on the left side. So we're gonna go left here. This way. Oh, this one. This is the Monja place you came before?
Yeah, this is another one.
Okay, Moheji. And he says it's pretty good, especially the anko one, right?
Yeah,
Anko maki. Okay, so it's like a dessert monja. Okay, so here's some street food here. Fish markets close pretty early. This one's closed. This one's still open though. Here, this is like an open air izakaya. And there's lots of Chinese food here, but pretty authentic Chinese food, I gotta say. More izakaya here. Got some fruit shops. What did they sell here? Some of the shops are kind of new. This is Korean street food. Right next to it is seafood bowls. Oh, on this side you have like kebabs. You can get kebabs. Fun. Fruit juices. This is a bar here. They're not open today. This is Chinese food. This Chinese food actually pretty authentic. Hello. Yeah. I've been to this one here. I think they're closed today. And then, of course, this is the market, but you do have like shops inside as well. And you know, there are a lot of shops here that have seafood bowls, and I gotta say, I'm gonna be totally honest with you, they're pretty good. There's a takoyaki place that I recommend. Do you like takoyaki?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so my opinion, the best takoyaki in Tokyo is here.
Oh,
Yes.
I never tried takoyaki in Tokyo.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you, I think you would be happy with this one because I also love takoyaki,
Yeah.
and I think it's very hard to find good takoyaki in Tokyo.
We
but
should try this.
yeah, but this is pretty good. But I'm not hungry right now, so maybe next time. Yeah. The good seafood bowl place is right next to the takoyaki stand. So we're almost there, and there's actually a temple right up here. We'll check it out a little bit later. Right here, guys. The seafood bowl here, kaisendon, this is actually quite nice. Yeah, like you don't have to go to Hakodate to have good. Yes, right there. Yeah, it's very good. And the seafood bowl here is so cheap, but it's very good for the price. It's like 600 yen, right? Like, look, it's like 600 yen for the tuna, right? And it's pretty good.
I saw the other place, it's like 2,000.
Like 2,000 yen for
Yeah.
the place, right? And some places like 4,000 yen. So it's called Minatoya. So check it out. So that's a really good takoyaki place. And this is Korean street food. You have Korean street food here. And there's actually like a Malaysian store over there. Indonesian store, sorry. And then, you know Nikki no Okashi? This place has a very cheap okashi. Yeah, like it's a very big shop. And then there's a little temple here.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, it's a very temple here. A lot of people will miss it, but yeah, you'll find a temple right in the middle of the market. Once again, this is the candy shop. You can buy at the discount. Okay, let's walk towards the park now since he's never been to Ueno Park. What is your favorite season, guys? I gotta say, summer. I don't love summer because it's so hot. I mean, look at my shirt. It's terrible. I have like sweat stains all over my shirt. And then my hair, well, I should have gotten a haircut, but my hair is like crazy because of the sweat. Yeah. Okay, so we're walking towards the main street of Ueno. Okay, let's cross the street. This street here, by the way, is like a nightlife area. Kind of like a red light district. 歌舞伎町みたいなところ。そう、ここは。こう、ちょっと怪しいお店とかいっぱいある。そう。Okay, this way to the park. Did you guys understand my Japanese? Oh, let's cross. It's green. I used to come to Ueno Park a lot during the pandemic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was like one of my peaceful places.
But I think it's a little far from your place.
Yeah, but you know, when you live in Tokyo,
Yeah.
like this is not far.
Oh,
Yeah, like far is like Tokyo Disneyland,
yeah.
right? That's like
Yeah.
further. Yeah, Ueno was not too bad actually. I think when you live in Tokyo, everything is pretty far. Do you think Tokyo is a big city?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like really big.
Yeah. Everywhere
Yeah.
I go, it's a lot of people.
A lot of people.
Yeah.
And this is Shinobazu Pond, very famous. And 今だけなのこれ。何これハス? Yeah, this is the lotus leaves. It's only the summer time that you can see all the leaves. In the winter it turns brown, so it's kind of ugly.
Actually, we already in the park.
Or in the park, yeah.
okay.
Yeah. We can go this way, we can go this way, but I kind of want to show you this way first. Yeah, and then we're going to walk around, make a loop. There's also a zoo here, Ueno Zoo, and there are many museums. And I used to like coming here because the sunsets were beautiful, like the skies were really nice at this time. And you can also rent boats to ride in the pond on the other side. During the summer here, there is a Natsumatsuri festival, summer festival happening all summer long. It's not too fun though. Like a lot of food stalls come out, like antique shops. It's kind of like a gigantic flea market. But that's about it though. I first came to Japan a long time ago in my early 20s. Sometimes I used to come to this park and just sit on the swing because I had no friends. But I also lived not too far from Ueno at that time. And there are a lot of like benches like this where you can just sit and chill. And this is the temple. During the day, food stalls appear like this one. And usually there's one on this side as well. I forgot the name of this temple. I think it's like Benten Nantoka. And not sure if I mentioned it, but all of this in the pond are lotus. Yes, and it looks like this only during the summertime. After the summer, it turns brown and it kind of ugly. Of course, the temple is closed already, but it's still quite a nice temple. It's a small, beautiful temple. So it is like what day is it today? It's almost like middle of September, and I'm trying to figure out like when it's gonna start becoming cooler. The weather forecast says this year it's gonna probably be warm until October, which is insane. I just cannot wait until cooler weather comes. It's closed already, but this is where you can rent boats, like a swan boats and rowboats as well. This is the street, and it's like all sakura on both sides, so it's really beautiful in the springtime. And then there's water on both sides, so it's very nice. This is where you can rent the boats. You can rent rowboats and swan boats here. Yeah, it's a very peaceful park. As you can see, there are not many people around us, but it's quite noisy because of the crows in the background. Amazing. I wonder what they're saying to each other. Anyway, it's pretty peaceful. It's very nice, but I do hear music echoing from like far. And there is a place, like an auditorium inside the park, so they must be doing some kind of event there. Okay. And this is one of the main arteries in the park. Let me show you. One of my favorite Starbucks is on this street. Oh. Fushimi Inari って知ってる？京都の。You know the, I'm going to talk English. You know the Fushimi Inari Shrine in Kyoto?
Yes.
So anyway, a lot of people come here if they can't go to Kyoto. It's closed at night, yeah. But there's all these red torii gates. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't. It just looks, I mean, it looks the same on photo, I think. But it's just from here to like down there. Yeah, so this is another shrine here. If you come during the day, yeah, you can walk down here like this tiny little hill and take a nice photo and pretend you're at Fushimi Inari. Yeah. By the way, guys, I know you've seen T on my previous video. Once again, he has a YouTube channel called Konnichiwa. He has a few videos on there, but he releases new videos every week. And my favorite video that he did recently was the one of Kawagoe. Please check it out. He's captured the essence of Kawagoe, one of my favorite places in Japan. Check it out. Yeah, so this is Starbucks. Isn't it nice? Look at all this like outdoor seating. Of course, it's better when it's cooler. And then the seats inside on the other side, you can see like the greenery on the other side. So it's quite nice. But if it's a beautiful day, it's like one of the most crowded Starbucks. Yeah, it's such a popular Starbucks. Right, the sun is setting. Actually, the sun has set already, so it is time to end this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really had a great time today walking around Ueno Park. Like I said in my last video, it's been a while since I vlogged on Shinichi's World. It feels so different vlogging for Tabi Eats, you know, because Tabi Eats is very structured. This one, you know, I always feel more relaxed, and it's like I almost forgot the joy of vlogging for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you once again to my friend T, who is very tired from all the walking around I forced him to do today.
Thank you for showing around this area.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah. Anyway, like I said, he's going to be making lots of videos in Tokyo, so make sure to check it out and subscribe to his channel. Don't forget to tell him that we sent you. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Have a great day.